Hi guys, this is Max with RC Window Films. Today we're at a home in Menifee, California where they've installed Blend 20, a dual reflective window film that's going to provide great heat rejection and privacy. As you notice, there isn't a whole lot of reflectivity. It's about a 33% increase in reflectivity, but it's also reducing about 63% of the heat. It's going to provide glare reduction, and the nice thing about this film is from the interior you can see very clearly. Check it out. Can I go in? Take a look. So very clear views. Let's have a look from the outside. Customer was nice enough to let us videotape this. All right, have a look. Look at that.